Number 13. A plant with stripped leaves was kept in bright light for 6 hours. A leaf was taken from the plant and the chlorophyll was removed. The leaf was then tested for starch using iodine solution. Which diagram shows the result of the test? The color of the iodine solution is yellow-brown. So obviously, if this leaf was soaked with the iodine solution, the white strip will be stained with yellow-brown color. So the answer should be either A or D. And this green stripe probably has a lot of chloroplasts, and it's kept in bright light for 6 hours, so it probably had enough time to photosynthesize. So it produced a lot of starch molecules by photosynthesis. And iodine solution reacts with the starch and it changes color to blue-black when it is exposed to the starch or when starch is present. So the answer for this question should be A.